Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bookmark and quickly access Google Finance on your browser. Now, as you can see here, guys, I'm in Google Finance here and I'm currently using the Google Chrome. Let me show you how I quickly access that. Head over to google.com, where you can quickly search for Google Finance and you can open it from the Google search, or if you're on google.com, for example, and you sign into your Google account, you can quickly click the Google apps and then scroll down and look for finance, and you can open up finance from there. Now you can quickly save Google Finance from here if you so desire, or if you want to save it from a specific page or specific watch list, for example, you can quickly do so. So whether it's a specific watch list or from a specific portfolio, you can quickly go ahead and save it. But all you have to do, guys, let's take for example my specific watch list here. I can quickly go ahead and click on the star here in the upper right hand side next to this download icon in my browser, and I can go ahead and I can choose wherever I want to. So if I want this to save in a specific folder, I can create one, or I can save it directly on my bookmark bar and click and done. And as you can see, it's saved there. So at any point in time I want to quickly access my Google Finance, I can do so by quickly clicking on that from my browser. If you're not able to see the bookmark bar, guys, it could be that it's currently off at the moment, so you can quickly do this within the Google Chrome. As you can see here, you want to go down to where it says bookmark and list, and here you should be able to see it says show or hide bookmark. So if it's hidden, simply click the three that's on the upper right hand side, go to bookmark and list and click on show bookmark bar, and you will see it once again. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.